I'm going to demonstrate using alarms in AWS CloudWatch to monitor a metric. So I'm in AWS here on my home page, and at the top left I'm going to click Services, and under Services in the search box I'm going to type CloudWatch. And under Services in the results I'm going to click CloudWatch. So now I'm in the CloudWatch service in AWS. And I'm going to set an alarm on an existing metric. And then I'm going to publish data to that metric, and we're going to watch the behavior of the alarm. So on the left-hand side in the main options, I'm going to click Alarms. And to the right-hand side, I see the empty table of alarms. And at the top right, I see an orange button that says Create Alarm. So I'm going to click that. Now I'm on a page that says Specify Metric and Conditions. And under Metric, I'm going to click Select Metric. Now I'm on a page that says Select Metric, and I can scroll down, and at the bottom under Metrics, I can see the namespaces, and one of them is Demo. That's the one I'm going to be using, so I'm going to click on that. It says that it has 2 metrics. I'm going to click on Metrics with no dimensions. And it shows me the metrics. And the one we're going to publish to is REQ count. Now, I've chosen a metric that exists because I've published to it in another demo. As soon as you publish values to a metric, it will appear here in CloudWatch. So if you don't see the REQ count metric in namespace demo here, then either use another existing metric or skip ahead in this video to where I show an example of publishing data to the metric and publish some data. Then when you come back here, the demo namespace will exist with REQ count in it. So I'm going to check the box beside REQ count, and then at the bottom right I'm going to click Select Metric. Now I'm on the Specify Metric and Conditions page. This is where I can choose details about the metric. On the right hand side I have the metric name, REQ count, namespace demo, and I have an option of statistic, and I can choose a different statistic. If I click on that box, I see many options: average, sum, maximum, minimum. I'm going to go with average, and period is 5 minutes. I'm just going to leave that at default. Now if I scroll down, I see conditions. This is where we set the details of our alarm, or the conditions of our alarm. So under threshold type, I can do anomaly detection, or I can just do a static condition. So I'm going to do a static condition. And the static condition is whenever REQ count is